It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to do observational drawing, which is drawing what you see in front of you as accurately as possible. And this could be anything from a flower, it could be a favorite stuffed animal or toy truck, it could be a bowl of fruit. Just about anything is fair game for observational drawing. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need for observational drawing include paper, a pen or pencil, and, if you like, something to color your drawing with. And that could be anything from colored pencils, crayons, markers, or even paints. Let's set up for success. Choose something to draw from your surroundings and set it on the table in front of you if possible. You may like to begin with something simple, such as oranges and bananas, or you may prefer to draw something that you are really excited about, whether it's your favorite toy, a bouquet of flowers, something interesting from your house. Let's create. Get out your paper and your drawing tool and begin by drawing the major shapes of the object in front of you. If you're drawing some fruit, for example, you can draw the roundness of the orange, the curved bowl. Basically draw the major shapes of the object in front of you. Once the basic shapes are drawn, you can draw the detail that you see in the item or items. For example, the texture of the orange or lemon. Ask yourself how you can show that in your drawing. Continue adding detail until you are happy with your drawing, and if you like, you can color your drawing as well. Observational drawing is a skill that can be acquired over time through practice and with a child's natural development. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.